About this item: Airpods Cleaning Kit 3-in-1 Earbud Cleaner. Keep your earbuds fresh and clean with our earbud cleaning kit. It has a metal cleaning head, a brush, and a flocking sponge, all to remove, sweep, and clean the funky grime. Premium and lasting quality. Just because you don't see it, doesn't mean it's not there. Our high-grade and durable earphone cleaning kit helps you reach the deeper nooks and crannies of your in-ear headphones. Portable as a pen, enjoy crisp and clear music all the time. Our in-ear headphone cleaning kit's lightweight design lets you bring it with you in your pocket as a handy cleaning tool. Multi-purpose electronics cleaner, made not only for cleaning earphones but also for other devices such as mobile phones, laptops, tablets, cameras, and so on. It's a practical solution for cleaning your gadgets. Excellent gift idea. Say goodbye to your earbud stubborn dirt and dust. Click add to cart on our headphone cleaner kit now and get that comfortable listening experience for the whole family. In the description to get this product today at the best